Hi, I'm here at the Real Herb Market and I wanted to show you guys what it's like when you get a package from Silver Creek Springs, which is run by Lisa and out of Wisconsin. So we got a nice solid box here. I'm gonna open this up. Alrighty. There we go. Got our product information here. Oh, love it. Beautiful. Okay, and then we got some packing peanuts, and these look like the kind that are the recyclable ones. They've got that texture that the recyclable ones have. Woo! And there we go. Circulate and protect herbal oil. This one, ooh, it's got prickly ash in it. That looks very exciting. And we got the all-purpose salve, a panacea for all your skin needs. And feel something else in here. There we go. Woohoo! And the last one is the black drawing herbal salve, made with plantain and comfrey. So I love the packing. Love the fact that these were buried right down in the middle, so they're good and safe while they're being transported. And I'm excited to give these guys a try. Let's see. Wounds and skin irritations. Organically grown comfrey and calendula infused in olive oil, organic beeswax, turmeric, and chamomile essential oil. Very nice.